Welcome back to XLP Auto. Today we are taking a detailed look at the all-new Lexus RX 350 2026, a luxury SUV that perfectly blends elegance, comfort, advanced technology, and powerful performance. The RX series has always been one of Lexus's best-selling models, and the 2026 RX 350 takes everything to the next level with refined styling and modern upgrades. From the very first glance, the 2026 Lexus RX 350 looks bold and premium. The front design is sharper and more aggressive than before, featuring Lexus's signature spindle grille with a sleeker and more futuristic shape. The slim LED headlights give the SUV a confident and modern face, while the daytime running lights add a high-tech touch. The front bumper design is more sculpted, improving both looks and aerodynamics. Moving to the side profile, the Lexus RX 350 2026 shows a smooth and flowing body design. The character lines run cleanly from the front to the rear, giving it a dynamic and elegant appearance. The roofline slopes slightly toward the back, adding a sporty feel without compromising interior space. Large alloy wheels enhance the luxury stance, and chrome accents around the windows add an extra premium touch. At the rear, the 2026 RX 350 looks just as impressive. The full-width LED tail lights give the SUV a wide and stable look, especially at night. The Lexus logo is neatly integrated into the tailgate, while the rear bumper design is clean and sophisticated. Dual exhaust outlets and subtle styling details complete the luxurious rear appearance. Step inside the Lexus RX 350 2026 and you are welcomed into a cabin designed for comfort and class. The interior feels spacious, modern, and extremely well crafted. Lexus has used high-quality materials throughout the cabin, including soft touch surfaces, premium leather seats, and elegant trim finishes. Every detail feels carefully designed to provide a luxury experience. The dashboard features a large touchscreen infotainment system placed perfectly for easy access. The display is crisp, responsive, and supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making smartphone connectivity seamless. The digital instrument cluster provides all essential driving information in a clear and modern layout, helping the driver stay focused on the road. Comfort is one of the strongest points of the Lexus RX 350 2026. The seats are wide, supportive, and designed for long drives. Front seats come with power adjustment, heating, and ventilation options in higher trims. Rear passengers also enjoy generous legroom and headroom, making this SUV ideal for families and long journeys. The cabin is well insulated, keeping road and wind noise to a minimum. When it comes to cargo space, the RX 350 does not disappoint. The rear trunk offers ample space for luggage, groceries, or travel gear. With the rear seats folded down, the cargo area becomes even larger, making it practical for everyday use as well as road trips. Under the hood, the Lexus RX 350 2026 is powered by a refined and efficient engine designed to deliver smooth performance. The engine provides strong acceleration while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency for its class. Whether driving in the city or cruising on the highway, the RX 350 feels confident and responsive. The automatic transmission shifts smoothly, enhancing overall driving comfort. The driving experience of the 2026 RX 350 is calm and refined. The suspension system absorbs road imperfections with ease, delivering a smooth ride even on rough surfaces. Steering is light yet precise, making it easy to maneuver in tight city spaces and stable at high speeds. Available all-wheel drive adds extra confidence in different road and weather conditions. Technology plays a big role in the Lexus RX 350 2026. The SUV comes equipped with advanced driver assistance features designed to enhance safety and convenience. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and parking assistance systems. These features work together to provide a safer and more relaxed driving experience. Lexus has also focused heavily on safety, making the RX 350 one of the safest SUVs in its segment. Multiple airbags, stability control, traction control, and a strong body structure ensure maximum protection for passengers. Whether you are driving daily or traveling with family, safety is always a top priority in this SUV. Fuel efficiency is another strong advantage of the Lexus RX 350 2026. Thanks to its advanced engine technology and aerodynamic design, it offers a balanced combination of performance and economy. This makes it a great choice for buyers who want luxury without compromising on running costs. Overall, the Lexus RX 350 2026 is a perfect blend of luxury, performance, comfort, and modern technology. It is designed for drivers who appreciate refinement, reliability, and a premium driving experience. Whether you are upgrading from an older SUV or entering the luxury segment for the first time, the RX 350 stands out as a strong and stylish choice. If you enjoyed this detailed review of the Lexus RX 350 2026, make sure to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to XLP Auto for more latest car reviews and automotive updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.